How to make $300 online as a ghostwriter, beginner's guide. If you love writing and want a flexible way to earn money online, ghostwriting is one of the fastest ways to start. You don't need a degree, huge following, or expensive equipment, just writing skills and the willingness to help people tell their stories. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to make your first $300 online as a ghostwriter, even if you're a complete beginner. What is ghostwriting? Ghostwriting is when you write content for a client but they get the credit. This can include blog posts, ebooks, social media posts, scripts, YouTube, TikTok, Reels, emails, website content, product descriptions. The best part: ghostwriters get paid well because clients value the work more than the credit. How much can you earn as a ghostwriter? Ghostwriting rates vary widely, but beginners can realistically charge $30 to $50 per blog post, 500-1,000 words, $50 to $150 for email sequences, $80 to $200 per YouTube script, $200 plus for short ebooks. This means earning $300 can happen in just 3 to 5 blog posts, 2 YouTube scripts, 1 short ebook project, a few social media content packages. Step by step, how to make $300 online as a ghostwriter. 1. Pick a type of writing you're good at. You don't need to write everything. Choose 1 or 2 formats to focus on as a beginner. High demand starter niches, beginner-friendly blog posts, YouTube video scripts, short-form content, Instagram captions, TikTok hooks. Email newsletters. Specializing helps you attract clients faster. 2. Create 3 to 5 writing samples. These samples show clients you can write well, even if you've never worked with anyone before. Examples of samples you can create: a 700-word blog post, a 5-minute YouTube script, a short email newsletter, a product review, a motivational Instagram carousel script. Put them in Google Docs, a simple portfolio page, Notion, clean and free. 3. Set beginner-friendly prices to land your first clients. Start with rates clients won't ignore but still pay you fairly. Suggested starter pricing: $30 to $50 per blog post, $50 to $80 per YouTube script, $25 for 10 social media captions, $100 plus for short ebooks. Once you land 3 to 5 clients, raise your rates. 4. Find clients in places that actually work. These platforms have high demand for writers. Freelancing sites: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour. Content-specific platforms: Writer Access, Text Broker, iWriter, scripted social media, Facebook groups, bloggers, business owners, marketers. Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Instagram. Direct outreach email small businesses or content creators. Hi, I'm a ghostwriter and I noticed you post regularly. I'd love to help you create more content. Can I send you a sample? This simple message pulls clients. 5. Deliver high-quality work quickly to stand out. Offer on-time delivery, clear writing, revisions, good communication. Happy clients often come back. That means repeat income. How to hit $300 fast. Realistic breakdown. Here are simple ways to reach your first $300. Option 1. YouTube scripts. Charge $60 per script. Write 5 scripts total, $300. Option 2. Blog posts. Charge $40 per post. Write 8 posts total, $320. Option 3. Social media content. $30 per 10 captions. Sell 10 caption bundles total, $300. Option 4. 1 small ebook. Write a 10-page guide. Charge $200 to $300 total, $300 in 1 project. Option 5. Mixed work. 1 blog post, $40. 1 script, $70. 1 email sequence, $120. 20 social media captions, $60. Total, $290 to $310. Tips to grow from $300 to $1,000 plus per month. Increase your prices after 5 projects. Offer monthly content packages. Specialize in one niche: tech, finance, health, lifestyle. Improve your writing speed. Build long-term client relationships. Ghostwriting can become a full-time income if you treat it like a real business. Final thoughts: making $300 online as a ghostwriter is not only possible, it's one of the easiest and fastest ways to start earning money from your writing skills. With a simple portfolio, a few samples, and consistent client outreach, you can land your first paid projects within days. Ghostwriting is flexible, beginner-friendly, and scalable. Start small, build experience, raise your rates, and you can turn your writing into a profitable online career.